Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. To the contrary clubbing, several material facts, one long question has been put to the accused. Instead of asking separate, specific and pointed questions on each material and distinct aspect of the matter, on the vital aspects incriminating the accused in evidence of the prosecution. Stop. Instead of single rolled up questions, plurality of separate questions ought to have been put to each of the accused separately, putting distinct incriminating material coming against him to get separate and distinct explanation. Stop. The statement of the accused are very general, casual and have mixed up significant with insignificant data and preventing the accused from properly and fully comprehending the import and effect of each material fact and aspect of the prosecution case. Stop. Having an incriminating content, specific grasp of the accused in contradiction to general grasp was required, which could have been feasible only by putting short and specific questions separately of each vital and incriminating aspect of evidence. Para. In such rolled up questions, the accused have clearly not been able to put their defense properly. Stop. In such questions, even the most educated accused would inevitably tend to gloss over the individual parts, and thereby necessary and finer points may be missed, resulting in absence of pointed, proper and detailed reply to each particular aspect. Stop. In questions mixed up together, some answer is not possible. Stop. This is what has happened in this case. Stop. Examination of the accused generally on the case does not mean putting of the questions of significant and insignificant details generally and casually. Stop. At times, these questions are having been no foundations in the evidence and have been mindlessly put to the accused. Stop. There is no certification of these questions having been put to the accused, much less that the accused were made to understand the questions put to them. Para. Give and substantial prejudice has been caused to the accused in the facts of the case in hand, as the vital segments of different aspects incriminating the accused in the evidence have not been distinctly and specifically put to the accused. Stop. The impugned judgment and order of sentence consequently cannot stand the legal scrutiny. Stop. There is no option with the court but to remit the case back to the learned lower court under section 366 within bracket B within bracket 1 of the CRPC. Stop. In view of the discussions as above, there being serious illegality having been committed by the learned lower court and great prejudice having been caused to the accused. Para. The case was thereafter committed. Stop. Charge was framed. Stop. The prosecution has examined 19 witnesses up to 12/9/2014. Stop. Petitioner claims that though the incident was of March 2012, but there was no counter complaint at the behest of respondent number 2, but on account of his connections, he created a false defense and moved complaints to various authorities after delay of 1.5 years. Stop. The matter had earlier been thoroughly inquired by the Commissioner of Police, Deputy Commissioner of Police, South and the Assistant Commissioner of Police. Stop. Challan was submitted and trial had commenced. Over.